How can you remotely control Android from Android or another Android device? In order to do this, you have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing first, make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So you have to actually install this application both onto the device, the other device, as well as to your personal device. So open up your Play Store, and on the web address bar, and then on the search box, you want to type in AirDroid. When you locate it, so you want to make sure to click on the install button. So this is the one. So in my case, I've already installed it. You have to make sure to install the same application to the other device as well. Once you've actually done it, so click on the open button, and now what you have to do is you need to start creating your account. So in order to create your account, then you'll be able to see the me section. Just go ahead and enter in or credential, all of that. And after you're done creating your account, what you have to do is you want to make sure to go ahead and click on nearby, and then click on tap to search. Once you actually do it, so then you want to make sure to enable the permission to the other device as well. Just follow once you've installed the application, just follow the prompt, and you'll be able to remotely control Android from another Android. That is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.